Hi YouTube, Tim Eckert here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert degrees to radians. But first, let's talk about what a radian is. I'm going to draw a circle here, and in the circle, we're going to have a radius. Okay, so what is a radian? Well, a radian is the angle that's going to carve out one radius on the outside of the circle here. So let's say that carves out one radius there. Then the radian is, one radian is this angle here. Now, there are 2 pi radians all the way around the circle, which is, if we round pi to 6.28, or to 3.14, we get 6.28. So there's a little bit more than, 6. So if we split this up, maybe something like here, with each of these being a radian. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's the 0.28, right? So each of these is a radian. Okay, so to convert to radians, we're going to multiply the degrees by pi over 180 degrees. Now we can think about this as 30 over 1, and the degrees will cancel out. So we'll get 30 pi for this first one, 30 pi over 180. And we can simplify that because 30 goes into 186 times. So this is going to be the same as 1 pi over 6. And a lot of times you don't write the 1 in front. It's just understood that it's there. So you're going to write this as pi over 6 radians, this first one. Okay, so if you think you got the hang of it, maybe pause the video right now and try and figure out the rest, and then watch me as I work my way through it and see if you get the same answer. Okay, so let's continue. We got 45 degrees here. We're going to multiply that by 100, or by pi over 180 degrees. So degrees will cancel out. We'll get 45 pi over 180. Now 45 goes into 180 4 times, so this becomes pi over 4 radians. And note that I'm leaving it as pi. Pi is the most accurate way to leave it. I wouldn't put 3.14 some approximation. I'd put the actual value, which is pi. Okay, so the next one, we're going to multiply this one by pi over 180 degrees. Degrees cancel themselves out. We get 135 pi over 180. Now, both 135 and 180 are divisible by 45. If I divide 135 by 45, I get 3. So I get 3 pi over 4. So 3 pi, or 3/4 pi radians. Don't need the equal sign, just put the radians here. Okay, this next one we'll do 205 times pi over 180 degrees. Degrees cancel. We get 205 pi over 180. The top number ends in a 5. The bottom number ends in a 0. So they're both divisible by 5. So we can start there. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. So we have 41 pi over 180 divided by 5. 5 goes into 18 3 times with, so it's 36. So 41 pi over 36. 41, yeah, we can't go any further than that. So we're going to leave it as is there. Okay, let's go down here. We're going to multiply this one by pi over 180 degrees. Degrees will cancel. We'll get 315 pi over 180. Both the top and the bottom end with a 5 or a 0. They're both divisible by 5, so 315, if we want to do this quick, 315 divided by 5 here. 5 goes into 36 times, so 31 minus 30 is 1, bring down the 5. So we have 6 and then a 3. So this is going to be 63 pi over 36. Both 63 and 36 are divisible by 9. So if I divide the top by 9, I get 7 pi. And I divide the bottom by 9, I get 7 pi over 4 for that one. Okay, and those are all radians, of course. And then this last one here, we're going to do times pi over 180 degrees. These are going to cancel. So we'll get 345 pi over 180. Both the top and the bottom are divisible by 5. We'll break it down like that first. So 345 divided by 5. 5 goes into 34 6 times. And we're left with 45. 5 goes into 45 9 times. So it's 69 pi. 69 pi over 36. Both of these are divisible by 3. So if I divide 69 by 3, I get 23 pi over 12. And we'll leave it like that. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, if you're a teacher and want to check out some of my resources, I'll leave a link to my Teacher Pay Teachers in the description, as well as a link to my website, which has other great math content. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.